Well, welcome to another Decimalware video tutorial. Today's tutorial is how to add calendar events into the system. You typically would want to advertise your event to your members or even the public at large. So, for example, how do we get news of a dinner or a coaching course, that sort of thing out there, so people can get on board and get coming along to your event. Now, anyone can add a calendar event to the system. You need to be logged in, so let's do that. Now, if you look here, I'm logged in as myself presently. We'll go back to the front screen, and pretty much as simple as hitting the Add Event button and we're away. In this particular case, I want the owner of the event to actually be an organisation, so let's try Rowing Australia today. So now we're logged in, basically operating as Rowing Australia, and you will see down here now, if I go to Add Event, and it's typical data, so date, time, various contact details. So let's row of the year, say, so it'll be 2011 row of the year annual dinner. Likewise, this could be a club dinner, a fundraising event, pretty much anything you've got going on. We pick a date, pick a time. We can set it to public or private. Particularly useful if you're putting this event onto a network, so you can actually go to one of your networks here that you administer and add a calendar event there as well, so the network owns the event, and if you set that to private, it will only be available to members within the network to view. We have an event URL, so there might be another website particularly about the event or more data, address details, event specific or generic contact details there for it. And then that would be it. That will get you on the site ready to go. However, we do also allow a full HTML body for the event to go with it. Now you could, so for example, 2011 or so, Rowing Australia cordially invites you to the 2011 row of the year dinner. Price, tickets, tickets maybe $195 each. Please contact Rowing Australia for more details. And you can obviously take that, make a bit more space here. We can center justify all of that in the editor, which is quite easy. We can actually link to an entity here as well, if you've seen this one. So we would link to there, and it creates a link to the Rowing Australia profile within the system. So in cordially invites you, we might make that italics, bold, and let's punch that up size. Tickets $195 each. Contact Rowing Australia for more details. Now you can also take that and add content or code or scripts from other websites to be able to build up something a little bit more. Now the classic one would probably be a PayPal Pay Now button or Buy Now button. So in other words, you would have a PayPal account and you're able to then sell tickets to your event straight from here. Just so happens I have a PayPal account, so let's just quickly show you that one. So we log in, and we want to use their merchant services for this one. Merchant fees are quite reasonable, 2.4% and 30 cents per transaction presently. There's no monthly fees. The money goes into a holding account within PayPal, and you're able to transfer that out to your nominated bank account whenever you wish. So it's bank agnostic. You don't need any particular Australian bank to deal with them. So in this particular case, we want a Buy Now button, and you'll notice there's quite a few options here. So let's build this button up. We're happy with a Buy Now. Item name, so 2011 rower of the year ticket. and you might even have multiple buy now buttons. This could be a per ticket price, and you could have a second button for a table sale, for example. So this is $195. Now you could actually gross that up if you wish to cover your merchant expenses here, but let's keep it simple. So we wish to add a text field, and we want a guest names. Done. That's as far as we need to go. We create that button, and PayPal will provide us with some code here, so we can select that code. Head on back to our code here, and this is the current design view. If we switch to HTML view, we can actually put that in there and head on back to the design view, and you'll now see we've got this button ready to go. And that's it. There's not a lot more to it. You effectively have your event on the system, able to be viewed, and you're also selling tickets to the event using your credit cards. So let's just save that. I missed. Try again. Save. Oh, sorry. Needs a few more details. Here we go. Let's try. Great demo here. Let's try a date. Right, save. There we go. So row of the year. Here's the event. The front page is cached. So what will happen is a couple of minutes from now, the event list will update and will pick up your new event. So let's just go back one, and just to give you a demonstration of the Bob Smith wants to go to the dinner, buy now, and you're pretty much up and rolling with PayPal. Well, that's been another video there for the tutorial series. Be sure to check out more of them. They're at youtube.com/decimalware, or the ROMS specific ones you can find at romssupport.decimalware.com. Thank you.